So this is actually the second time I made the sandwich. I just used this bread. I got this at Safeway. It's really tasty. It's a ciabatta bread. And then I diced up the celery and just a little bit of celery. And then I added this Alaskan pink salmon. It's wild caught. It tastes really good and it's a small amount. I don't really eat a lot of fish, but those ingredients or spices, they're really tasty. So definitely I'd recommend picking this up if you like fish a little bit or just trying to get yourself to eat it. I don't really like fish too much. Sometimes some sushi, but yeah, so it's really tasty. And so I'm just gonna close up my sandwich. I also put some of this mayonnaise. Yeah, I didn't put a whole lot on this. It's probably because this is already seasoned. I guess technically you could just cook that and then put all these seasonings on it. But and I guess technically it wouldn't have the extra ingredients that it has in there. But anyways, but yeah, it's tasty. I just thought I'd share. It's a quick sandwich. This is flour, I guess, but yeah, so you should try it. Let me know how you like it. I think it tastes really good.